Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check statistics on TikTok. So if you are a TikTok creator and you want to see how your TikTok account has grown or how your videos analytics on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. First, you can go to your profile and then hit on the three lines at the top right corner, and then just click on this business suite. So when you tap on that, you'll see at the very top there's analytics. Just tap on that and just wait. So you can see here the overview of your TikTok account. You can see your reach in here, your engagement, and also the conversion. So you can just find it in here. So you can also see your most popular videos in here. So your most popular videos is your top performing videos with most video views within the selected time window. And in here you can see at the very top there is this video analytics. You can see each of the video analytics in here. You can see also your audience here, and you can change the time frame, for example last 12 months in here. And you can also see the reach audience, and if you have a live video you can also see their performance in here, the analytics in here. So that's how you can check statistic on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.